Hi, everybody. Ryan Grant here from SA Global. We are excited to be heading to the DynamicsCon 2026, May 12th through the 15th in Las Vegas. If Dynamics 365 and Copilot are how you're going to be driving outcomes this year, you're not going to want to miss it. Why DynamicsCon? DynamicsCon is one of the best places to get real, practical insight, not just product updates, but how customers are actually using the Microsoft platform to drive results. It's hands-on, community-led, and it's where serious practitioners come to learn what's working now. At SA Global, we help organizations move faster on the Dynamics Microsoft stack, from ERP and CRM through industry solutions to Copilot and AI-led transformation. Our focus is simple: turning strategy into execution, helping customers modernize operations, scale adoption, and get real value from the Microsoft Cloud. You'll find us at booth 447, and we're also running 7 sessions across the week. 7. Sharing real world lessons, customer stories, and practical guidance you can take back to your organization immediately. And yes, we are giving away a $500 grand prize, so make sure you come say hi. If you're planning to attend, use our code SA Global at DCON for 20% off your registration. We'd love to meet you in person, talk about what you're working on, and explore how we can help you get more value from Dynamics and Copilot. See you in Vegas.